The wise solution. Akbar once asked Birbal, "Find a stick that would make a fool happy and a wise man sad." Birbal thought for a moment and then handed Akbar a short stick with the words, "This side is shorter," written on one side, and "this side is longer," written on the other. Akbar was puzzled and asked Birbal to explain. Birbal said, "A fool would be happy to find a stick that has both the shorter and longer side, while a wise man would be sad to realize that the stick is of the same length on both sides, and the writing is just a trick." Akbar was impressed by Birbal's clever solution and praised his wisdom.